Hey, I appreciate for watching this video, and if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on so you don't miss any update. Let's take a look at Harmony 1. Last time we looked at Harmony 1 was on October the 10th. Here is a quick recap. Here is what we are looking at. If Harmony can retain most of the gain and close today above this all-time high, then the all-time high now would become a very strong support line. And if Bitcoin continues to stabilize, then the momentum would push Harmony up. The next resistance level is at around 26 cents. After that, Harmony would run up to hit our target price of about 30 cents. And then the next level would be at 33 cents. And finally, to reach our target price of 40 cents as part of the breakout of this cup and handle base. Fast forward, this is the daily chart for Harmony 1, and the data I have is to 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on October the 19th. Last time when we look at Harmony was on October the 10th, right at this point. The price ended up closed today over 23 cents, which is the top of the cup. That's what we wanted to see happen. The following 3 days continued to close over 23 cents. But after that, it retraced, dropped down to about 20 cents, found support right at its prior low. Looks like Harmony is starting to run up again. Today, Harmony is trading at around 24.1 cents or up 8%. So Harmony is doing exactly how we would like it to see. I've got questions like, hey, what's going on with Harmony? It ran to 27 and now it's down to about 20 cents. Why is it underperforming? No, it is not. Harmony is doing exactly what it is supposed to do. So let me spend a minute to clarify that when Harmony goes up, we cannot expect it to go up vertically. It doesn't work that way. It goes up and then it would retrace. Once it reached the bottom for this retracement, then it would likely goes up again. Why do we have this? Because we always have swing trader that buy low. The minute it hit the target price to sell, they would sell it. And that caused this retracement. And after they sell it, they set a buy target. So the minute the price dropped to their buy target, that's when they jump in to buy. That caused the price to spike up again. Now look at Harmony when it started this reversal in price. The price ran from this low, spiked all the way up to this high, and then it retraced, dropped to this low. If you're familiar with the Fibonacci retracement, if we measure from this low to this high, that gives us roughly about 61.8% retracement. Normally a retracement is anywhere from about 38.2% to as high as 78.6%. But in this case here, the retracement is about 61.8%. After that, the price spike up and then retrace again. So now if we measure from this low to this high, now the retracement here is about 78.6%. Then after that, price spike up. Again, if we measure from this low to this high, the retracement here is about 61.8%. And now Harmony is beginning this run up again. So just keep this in mind next time when you follow a crypto that is spiking up. Always expect the minute it reaches some sort of like a target price, then the price would then retrace. And then it find bottom, it will bounce up again. So this type of repeated patterns is really good for swing trading. Let's say if I were to swing trade Harmony 1. First, I need to make sure that the trend is continuing upward. In this case, yes, it is, because Harmony just broke out of this cup and handle. So the trend is definitely upward. Now Harmony reached 27 cents. It started to retrace. The minute I see the retracement drop below 38.2%, then I would keep my eyes on it. And when it dropped below 50%, that's when I would open my positions and then wait for the price to rebound. Let's look at Harmony on a 4-hour chart. Harmony started this reversal in price, ran up, very much followed this upward channel. And finally, the price broke out of the resistance, ran up, retraced. The low is higher than this prior low. Spike up again. The high is lower than this prior high. And all this continues. So what happened is, if we connect all this lower high and higher low, Harmony was forming this symmetrical wedge. Volume picked up drastically. This morning, Harmony broke out of the resistance of this wedge. And technically, breakout of this symmetrical wedge could take Harmony to about 28 cents. Now, another thing that we see is when Harmony broke out of the resistance of this upward channel and trending up, it is forming a new upward channel with a much stiffer upward angle. So if we connect this line to this point here, now we have a new upward channel that Harmony is pretty much oscillating within. Another thing we can look at is from around the middle of October, when Harmony run up, then it formed this symmetrical wedge. This looked more like a little bull flag, and a breakout at this point could also technically take Harmony to about 32 cents. So all of this pattern is pointing to Harmony continue to trend upward. Switch over to the daily chart. This chart is looking extremely bullish. First, Harmony broke out of this cup and handle, is trading over the top of the cup. The 10 days moving average continued to trend upward, and it is leading the 50 days. The Bollinger Band contracted, and now it is expanding, and Harmony is riding the upper band. The stochastic oscillator is showing strong upward momentum. So as long as Bitcoin stabilizes or trend higher, Harmony would follow this new upward channel and continue to zigzag its way up and eventually reach our target price of about 40 cents as part of the breakout of this cup and handle. I do believe, given the fact that it took 6 months for Harmony to form this cup and handle, momentum would definitely push Harmony way above this 40-cent target price. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button if you appreciate the content that I'm providing.